Says when Molly to James, that's a fine motorbike. A girl could feel special on any searchlight. Says James to Red Molly, my hat's off to you. It's Vincent Black Light in 1952. And I've seen you at the corner and cafe at scene. Red hair and black leather, my favorite color scheme. And he put her on behind, and down to Fox Hill they did ride. Says James to Red Molly, here's a ring for your right hand. But I tell you in earnest, I'm a dangerous man. For I fought with the law since I was 17. I've robbed many a man to get my Vincent machine. And now I'm 21 years, I might make 22. And I don't mind dying, but for the love of you. And if fate should break my stride, then I give you my Vincent to ride. That's what he said now. Come down, Red Molly, call Sergeant McCrae, for they've taken young James A.D. for armed robbery. Shotgun blast hit his chest, left nothing inside. Come down, Red Molly, to his dying bedside. When she came to the hospital, there wasn't much left. He was running out of rope, he was running out of breath. But he smiled to see her cry. He said, I give you my Vincent to ride. Says James, in my opinion, there's nothing in this world that beats a 52 Vincent and a red-headed girl. Now Nortons and Indians and Greaves and Ducattis won't do. No, they don't have a soul like a Vincent 52. Well, he reached for her hand and he slipped her the key. Said, I got no further use for these. I see angels on Ariels in leather and chrome, swooping down from heaven to carry me home. Ho, ho. And he gave her one last kiss and died. And he gave her his Vincent.